Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my new video. And it is raining today since morning. We can say it is continuously raining past 4 days. And I am in my garden right now, and here I am coming to see what is my garden conditions. So I am planning to plantation new plants, so that I was looking the place where I should planting new fruit plants. As you all know, I have already planted lot of different type of mango plant or different kind of fruit plants like pomegranate, chiku, water apple, and mulberry. There are a lot of fruit plants I have already planted, and this plant I planted past last year. So I am planning to planting this year on this side of my garden. I want to plant some exotic fruit plants like miracle fruits or many more. There are many more fruit plants I am planning to planting this rainy seasons. If you have the free space on your backyard, you can also planting fruit plants on this rainy seasons. This is very good time for planting any fruit plants. So I will highly recommend you that you should planting fruit plants on this rainy seasons. It is very good for grow a plant. So I would like to see you an update. This is the star fruits plant. I had planted this plant last year, and it's been completed 1 year, and you can see how flowers and fruit bearing on this plant. You can see there are a lot of fruits bearing on these tiny plants. And we have also another plants like chiku or pomegranate. I would like to show you the another plants, that is pomegranate plants, a very tiny plants. There is bearing some fruits. You can see here, this is very tiny pomegranate plants. Approx it will be 4 feet height, and you can see on these tiny plants it's bearing 4 pomegranates. Market size fruits bearing on these tiny plants. And this is my pomegranate section. And yeah, it feels very good when we get the result of hard works. So I am very happy, and you must plant the fruit plant on this rainy seasons. Thank you all. Have a nice day.